Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Panchamirtham. Ingredients for Panchamirtham: 2 tablespoons of palm sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, around 100 grams of dates, 6 numbers of ripe banana, 2 number apple, 1 teaspoon of ghee. Take the bowl and cut the banana into pieces. Then we have to mash everything. First you have to mash the banana, then we have to add all the other fruits. We have cut the apple into pieces. We are going to mash this one also. We have removed the seeds in the dates. We are going to add the apple and so mash everything together. So we mashed the apple. We're going to add the dates now. And we have to mash in the manner everything is mixing up. So we're going to add the palm sugar, then the honey, so it's very healthy and tasty also. Everything mixed up together. Palm sugar, dates, apple and banana. We have to add ghee only, so we're going to add that one also. The ghee is getting melted. It is hot now, ghee. Don't add when it is hot, let it cool. After that you can add. There is nice aroma of this one. So as much you can mash it up. We have mashed well. Minimum 2 hours, maximum you can leave till 5 hours also. So we're going to add the ghee with this one. So it cooled. So mix it well. Panchamirtham from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.